Hello friends, it is Running Kimono and we're going to talk about a really great paper deal this week over at the Dollar General. It is most advantageous if you go there on Saturday to pair it with the 5 off of 25. Just a little bit more savings for you, and this is a 100% digital deal, so all you need to do is get your code on, start your car, get out to the store on Saturday and make this happen and load the digital coupons. Before we dive into this a little bit more, shout out to Couponing Farm Girl over on Instagram. I'll leave her account in the notes if you wish to follow her. She was talking about this on the weekend, and I saw the coupon, and I'm like, man, she's really onto something great. So shout out to her. She is the first person to talk about this deal, and it is a really great one. So at my store, there is these 6 rolls, and they kind of have a winter pattern to them. I always had this dream that would penny out and I would get like 17 million of these for a penny and it would be so great. It's never happened. They're $5 each, but paper towel is one item that we really don't have a lot of coupon deals, so we're going to specifically focus on this. If you have pets or you just need this in your household, I think everybody does. $5 each. Here's the UPC if you want to give this a quick scan and see it if they have it in your store, but this deal is with any Dollar General paper products. We'll look at the coupon thoroughly here in a second, but if you want to just scan this with the Dollar General app to see if you might have these $5 paper towels, which is a really great price point, you will be in for this exact deal. And this is what the digital coupon is, which is a 4 off of 20, which is really great. And yes, we have been able to stack this with the 5 off of 25 for the last couple of months, so this will in fact work on a Saturday. Any issues, I'll let you guys know on Instagram, but yeah, this is great. And then we're also going to grab one of these Centrum vitamins for $5 on the nose, and it says save $1.25. Do not load that coupon. That is the coupon you don't want to load. You want to load this one, which is the $4 off. And if you loaded both of them, typically the smaller one will come off first, not the larger one. So always be careful of that booby trap. So looking at the math for this deal, grabbing 4 of those Dollar General paper towels, that's 20 on the nose, and then 1 Centrum vitamin for 5, which is 25 bucks. So you know how I typically do this is when the cashier starts scanning stuff, I just punch in my phone number and it seems to always work. Anyhow, when the cashier presses that pay button, the 5 off of 25 is coming off, the 4 off of 20, and then the 4 off for the vitamin. So that's $8 of digital manufacturers. You're left with paying 12 out of pocket, plus your tax, shaking it out to $2.40 per pack of paper towel, which is a really great price point. Now, looking at this, guys, say you're like, I don't need paper towel. You can grab the Dollar General Home or True Living paper towel, the bathroom tissue or facial tissue. So like toilet paper or Kleenex, just classier way of classing it up. Now, if you wanted to go before Saturday, say you're just like, I want to do this deal today because I desperately need like Kleenex or I need toilet paper, it would shake out. You would just grab 4 of them or $20 worth, and then the 4 off of 20 would come off and it would be $16. So it would shake out to $4 each. To get it on a Saturday is just a little bit more savings. Hopefully you can follow my lead there, but at the very least, load this coupon because if you're ever short on paper, if you could pair it on a Saturday, it's fantastic. And this is valid right till the end of the month. So this is a really great coupon. Okay, so with the vitamins, I know that's a tall order, and a lot of you are going to be like, well, they cleared the vitamins out of my store, and I don't know what to do. And with the Dollar General, you have to be really good at problem solving. Like, so if they don't have one item, you have to grab something else. Just kind of get creative. So Jergens has this body wash. It's kind of new, and it's on sale this week for $5.50. So yeah, that's nice. It's a new type of body wash, a little bit of fanciness there. If you want to scan it at home, here's the barcode for this. Even though there's a bit of a glare, it's still worked with my Dollar General app. And there's a very generous $3 digital coupon. So please load that one for this one, which is $3 off. So how great is that? And that's valid till the 27th. So you have a couple of weeks to play with that. Let's throw a body wash into the mix. So I'm going to grab 4 of those Dollar General paper towels at $5 a pop. That's 20. 1 Jergens body wash for $5.50. So my total is $25.50. I've punched in my phone number, and then the 5 off of 25 on Saturday is coming off, along with $7 of digitals. We have the 4 for the paper towel, and then the 3 for the Jergens body wash. You're left with paying $13.50 out of pocket for the 5 items, shaking it out to $2.70 per product. So not too shabby. At the very least, load all of these digital coupons, guys, because if you're looking for inexpensive paper, you have a couple of weeks to play with this, but this is just fantastic. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.